Hi friends, it's Dawn Duffy and I am here with a weekly wellness tip for you. I was harvesting in my garden today. I have an abundance of sage and rosemary, and I was making some herbal salts, and I thought you might be interested in learning how simple they are to do. It is going to take your cooking to a new level when you do these herbal salts. So you're going to need about 2 cups of fresh herbs, and I have on my cutting board right here all of my fresh sage. And you can just chop it by hand, chopping, 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 chopping. And then you would add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt to it and continue to chop it into a very fine powder. Or you can go the super quick and easy route and throw your herbs into your food processor or your Vitamix. So here is my cup of fresh rosemary. I'm going to do rosemary and sage. And so what you want to do with your rosemary is just strip it off the stems so that all you have are your nice little pieces. And then you're going to throw those into your Vitamix or your food processor and pulverize them up really super fine. When you do that, you're going to notice that you get very sticky fingers from the oils that are in the rosemary. And if you don't know how to get the stickiness off your fingers, just take a little bit of lemon oil, put a couple drops on your fingers, rub them around together, and they will be no stick. It's awesome. So I am going to, after I finish up with you, I'm actually going to go the easy route with my sage, and I'm going to throw that into my Vitamix and pulverize that up. I just don't want you to have to listen to that sound. And then, so I'm going to have 1 cup of rosemary, 1 cup of pulverized fresh sage, and then, so that's 2 cups total of my herbs. You could do 2 cups of 1 if you don't want to mix it up. And then 1/2 cup of Himalayan pink sea salt, which is going to have lots of health benefits for your body. And right now I'm just going to mix this salt with my herbs so that you can see what it looks like. Now remember, I haven't yet pulverized my sage, so I'll be adding that soon. And so it's going to be double the amount of herb there. Then the very last thing you have to do is spread out your salt mixture on a cookie sheet and put it into a 175-degree oven that's preheated. And as soon as you put it in there, shut your oven off and just leave your salt in there until it's nice and dry. It's going to have a little moisture in it because of your fresh herbs. And that will take a couple hours. Your home will smell awesome. And then the next thing you know, you'll get a little jar and fill it up with your herb salt, and you will sprinkle it on everything. This one is awesome with the rosemary and sage. It's awesome on potatoes. It's awesome on any kind of chicken or poultry dish. I would sprinkle it on a fresh salad. I love it on everything. It would be great on some nice garden cut tomatoes. You are going to love it. Now, if you are lamenting the fact that you don't have fresh herbs, I'd say go to your farmer's market and buy a nice bundle of each of them and get yourself set up for success in the kitchen with a nice herbal salt. And if indeed you don't have the opportunity to make a herbal salt for your kitchen, don't forget, with Young Living we have the Vitality line of oils that are supplemental, ingestible, safe oils to use in the kitchen. So you can use basil or rosemary or sage oil, and a tiny little bit goes a very long way because they are super concentrated. And so you can use these in your cooking and get great health benefits as well as great flavoring. growing. So remember, I am Dawn Duffy. My business is Oil Fun with Dawn. You can find me on Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook. And I hope that if you'd like to jump into healthy lifestyle tips or learn more about using Young Living essential oils, that you'll reach out to me because I'm here for you. See you soon. Bye-bye.